morning, my name is Sandra Gailey and I'm with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team of RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. I wanted to take a moment this morning to introduce you to one of my favorite properties in Osage Beach. This home at 5308 Dude Ranch Road is located in the heart of Osage Beach but sits on 2.6 acres in a private oasis. Let's take a look. This home has been completely remodeled down to the studs. There's 2x6 construction, blown-in insulation, granite, scraped hardwood floors, top-of-the-line appliances, gas stove, including this gigantic commercial-sized refrigerator, and there's more. So if this is a property that you think you'd like to see in person, give us a call at the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Thanks so much. Have a great day at the lake.